Does men's sperms affect women's body in surprising ways? Join me as I dive into the surprising ways men's sperm can actually affect women's body and see if I can uncover some shocking truths along the way. When we think of men's sperm, we often associate it with conception, and rightfully so. But what if I told you that sperm's influence extends far beyond the reproductive process? Today we are going to explore these fascinating ways in which men's sperm can affect women's body. And it is about time we did, because this is more than just a reproductive issue. You see, there is a common misconception that sperm is only involved in conception. And that is it. But the truth is, sperm plays a much larger role in women's health than we have given it credit for. By limiting our understanding of sperm to just conception, we are overlooking the broader implications for women's health. Not only that, but we are also ignoring the potential benefits that sperm can have on women's body. For instance, did you know that sperm contains a cocktail of hormones and proteins that can affect everything from mood to energy levels? It is true, and it is time we start acknowledging the impacts that sperm can have on women's overall well-being. So let's dive deeper into the world of sperm and explore the surprising ways it can influence women's bodies. One of the most significant ways that sperm can affect women's bodies is through hormonal changes. That is right. Sperm contains hormones like testosterone and estrogen, which can alter a woman's hormonal imbalance. This can lead to everything from mood swings to changes in libido. But that is not all. Sperm also contains proteins that can stimulate the immune system, which can actually lead to some surprising health benefits. But that is not all. Research has shown that sperm can also influence women's emotional well-being. One study finds that the presence of sperm in the reproductive tract can actually reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Isn't that amazing? This just goes to show that sperm is so much more than just a reproductive cell. But perhaps the most surprising findings of all is that sperm can even affect a woman's brain chemistry. A study published in the Journal of Evolutionary Psychological Science finds that the scent of sperm can actually alter a woman's brain activity, leading to increased feelings of attraction and arousal. Talk about a game changer. One of the most groundbreaking studies on this topic was conducted by a team of researchers at the University of Michigan. They found that the presence of sperm in the reproductive tract can actually increase the production of certain antibodies, which can help to fight off infections. This is huge because it means that sperm can actually play a role in preventing illness and disease. In another study published in the Journal of Fertility and Sterility, researchers found that sperm can even affect a woman's risk of miscarriage. They discovered that the presence of certain proteins in sperm can actually increase the risk of miscarriage, which is why it is so important for women to choose partners who are healthy and fertile. So what can we take away from all this? Well, for starters, it is clear that men's sperm plays a much larger role in women's health than we have given it credit for. By understanding the ways in which sperm can affect women's bodies, we can start to take steps towards better reproductive health and overall well-being. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of sperm and reproductive health. If you are as fascinated by this topic as I am, be sure to check out our other videos. And don't forget to comment below. I want to hear your thoughts on this topic. And most importantly, consider subscribing to this channel. Catch you in my next video.